and my topic is how do organisms reproduce. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to explain you the definition of reproduction. Uh, Reproduction is a biological process by which an organism or individual produce a new organisms of its own kind. Okay, uh, so in our daily life, reproduction is very necessary for the production of new species or new organisms. Imagine if reproduction is stopped, so what happen if imagine if we are human beings stops reproduction. So what happened with that generation? If any generation have not capability to reproduce of its own kind, that generation will vanish soon. Okay, so the production is very very important for us, from for the regeneration or retain the species of its of their own kind. Okay, so basically reproduction are of following two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, there is no need to parent cells. Only one cell is self sufficient for the reproduction of its own kind. Okay, but in sexual reproduction, both male and female uh, reproduce. Okay, male cell gives sperms and female cells female gives us ovary. And what happen in fertilization? When fertilization occur uh, in the internal female's body or inside the female body, male sex cells and female sex cells fuse with each other, and they form a zygote. Okay, and when zygote forms, after 7 days, zygote change into embryo, and embryo change into and embryos change into uh, child or sorry, baby. Okay, so reproduction is very important for us for the for the regeneration of that species. Okay, reproduction is mostly seen in plants, animals. Okay, plants also reproduce. The one plant have capability to produce of their own kind. Um, but in plants, uh, uh, reproduction. But in plants, we have seen uh, same same character. But in human beings, we are similar with our parents, but not identical. Similar means look like with our parents. Some characters and traits are just to look like as parents. So, but we are talking about uh, internally, not externally. We are externally we are different from our parents. Okay, now I'm going to uh, teach you. uh, Now my next slide is types of asexual reproduction. Basically, asexual reproduction are of following five types: budding, fission, regeneration and fragmentation, spore formation, and vegetative reproduction. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to explain you fission. Fission mainly fission. What is fission? Fission means breaking something, breaking into many parts or two parts. Okay, fission basically two types. One is binary fission and second one is multiple fission. Binary fission, uh, uh, binary means two. Okay, when the parent cell split up into two daughter cells, uh, then that is called binary fission. And when parent cell split up into two or many daughter cells. That's called multiple fission. Okay, multiple fission, binary fission happens in bacteria, and multiple fission seen in Spirogyra. Okay, now next one is budding. Budding, uh, what happens in budding? Parent cell reproduce buds. Okay, it gets attached and develop into new individual. Budding happen, see in hydra, mostly occur in hydra. Okay, when a new in budding, uh, uh, in what happen in budding? In budding, parent cell mature and it produce bud. Okay, and bud detach from their parent and change into new hydra. Okay, next one is spore formation. Spore formation mostly occur in bacteria. What happen in spore formation? Spores formation under favorable condition, and spores develop into new individual. Okay, fragmentation, organisms with filamentous body breaks into two or more fragments. Each fragment grows into new individual. Fragmentation seen in Spirogyra. Okay, and next one is regeneration. Regeneration means like fragmentation, in regeneration also, parent body breaks into two or one or several parts. Each part change into new organisms. Okay, next one is vegetative reproduction. In vegetative reproduction, there is no need speed. Uh, there is no need of um, seed. Okay, organisms produce new individuals by a vegetative part of the body, uh, like in bryophyllum and potato and ginger. Okay, there's no need seed formation of new individual occur when uh, when the vegetative part of the plant uh, plant gives rise new individual. In vegetative reproduction, any vegetative part of the plant have capability to produce produce new organisms. Now, sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, I already told you that in sexual reproduction both male and female take part in fertilization. Okay, when male sperm fuse with female ovum or egg, then what happen? Fertilization occur, and when after fertilization, the zygote formed, and the zygote change into embryo, and embryo change into baby. Okay, okay, I hope you understand what about reproduction and all that. Okay, thank you.